And here we go. Hello, DC area Google Educators Group. I'm Sarah Thomas, and we have two wonderful and brave participants here for our demo slam today, and we're going to get into that in just a moment. But just a little bit of housekeeping before we begin. We are first going to take a quick look at our well, before we do that, let's go ahead and have some panel introductions really quickly. So I guess starting from my left to right. So Amanda, if you could just tell everyone who you are and a little bit about yourself.
Okay, I'm Amanda Peltzer. I'm an instructional technology coach right outside of Chicago. So I help teachers integrate tech into their classroom, and I recently got accepted to the Google Education Trainer program too. So that's exciting. Yay!
Hey, congratulations! That's fantastic.
Thanks.
Yeah, excellent. And Justin.
Hello there, I'm Justin, a physical education and health teacher and self-taught technology person. I don't know a lot, but I could figure a lot out. So that seems to work well for me in life.
That's totally awesome. That is awesome. And me, I'm Sarah Thomas. I teach over at John Hanson in Maryland. I forgot the name of the state for a second. But yeah, I teach over at John Hanson French Immersion in Maryland, and I teach English language arts and technology at the middle school level. So that being said, let's get this bad boy on the road. So let me just go ahead and share with you guys our leaderboard. For those of you who are completing our weekly challenges, then boom, boom, boom. Here is our current leaderboard. It has not been updated with any recent Voxer additions, but all of the things shared in the group, they've been updated. So yep, that's it right there. That is our leaderboard, and I will post it to the group tomorrow, an updated version of the leaderboard. So our topic of the week is just a demo slam. So today is going to be it's going to be pretty open and pretty informal, pretty fun. So let's go ahead and get started. So Justin, would you like to go ahead and share your favorite app?
Sure. My favorite app is one of the most basic apps that you absolutely need to have. If you have nothing else, this is the one. And I'm talking about the classic, the Google Drive app. You cannot function as a teacher without the Google Drive app. I know it's not on some of these fancier apps like a green screen app or something that changes your voice or whatever. All it does is work flawlessly. You take your videos on the iPads. How do you get it to the drive? How do you get it to where you need to go? Google Drive app. Right there. You upload it. Done. You want to share something? Done. Get my phone out. Oh, I have this right here. Send it to you. Oh, I met you in the grocery store and you want to know about a phys ed plan I did last week? Well, I'll share it with you. Anything you want can be done with this Google Drive app at the snap of your fingers. So, again, I didn't go fancy. I didn't go crazy. I just went with, if you had to choose one app and nothing else worked on your iPad or your phone, whatever, this is the app to have, the Google Drive app. Thank you.
Fantastic, fantastic. So that I second that emotion right there. The Google Drive app is fantastic, a phenomenal resource. So Amanda, would you like to share your app?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. So I recently joined the GED DC Metro Area Voxer group, and so one of the things that came up, I can't remember who asked about it, but they were asking about a way to draw and record on a Chromebook. So I said that you could use Google Drawing, which is one of my favorite tools in the entire world. I probably use it daily, to draw math problems out and then use revision history to see it. So I've got a sample over here that I created.
All right.
3 + 2 = 5. So I like to draw a white box before I start just because I don't like drawing on the transparent screen. I think it's hard to read sometimes. But so I made my white box and I did my math problem and I have my counters, I guess. But if I go into File, see Revision History, I'm going to show more detailed. I can go through and, well, it's not going to give me. But so I could go through and tell each step of the problem. So I could do 3 + 2 = 5. It looks like I made my drawing too fast. But anyways, so I could go 3 + 2 = 5, and then I can show how I use my counters to make it. And that way I don't actually have to draw and talk at the same time while I'm making my video, but I can do it and then explain the steps that I did. So That makes sense. I would use Snagit also to record once I am making my tutorial, I guess. But yeah, so that's it.
Sarah, I hope you're alive there. Man, that was awesome. I like the revision history too over there, where if you did a more complicated problem, you could show the step by step and if they made any errors. I like that a lot.
Yeah, it's nice that kids can then make videos and explain what they're doing. I did a simple problem, so I wouldn't mess it up. But
Nice. Now, do you have your kids do that?
I've actually used it I've used Google Drawing in a ton of different ways. But actually, Jenny Majera shared that at a conference I was at about the revision history. So someone was looking for that in the Voxer group, so I shared it.
Well, thank you. I'm going to bounce because I have to get all my plans done for the week. But I definitely thank you very much. Have a good one.
All right. Bye.
Hey, I think we are back. I'm not 100% sure. Sorry to everyone who was just on there. Let me just try to invite them back. Oh goodness, gotta love wireless. Well, not wireless, but gotta love the internet. So my apologies to everybody for the dropped communication. Go back and invite. And I believe we are still broadcasting. So hopefully they will get this invitation and be able to rejoin. I guess in the meantime, we will do our Voxer lottery. Just let me share my screen with you guys. Voxer lottery sharing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our names and make sure that you join our Voxer lottery every week for a chance to win 7 bonus points. So going ahead and doing our Voxer lottery. And our winner for this week is Chris Rogers. Yay! So Chris R, you get 7 bonus points in our Voxer lottery. That's 1, count them, 2, count them, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Fantastic. So those are the Voxer lottery points. Now, if you want to earn some points yourself for this week's challenges, then just post a quick video or a blog post in the Google Educators group that will talk about your favorite app. That way we have our demo slam available asynchronously, and everyone can check out some great tools. For me, my favorite app would be Quick Key. So let me show you guys that really quickly. This is one of my favorites, I should say. So huge shout out to Walter. And yeah, what you can do is that you can scan tests, and it'll give you the answer right back. Like, so if you have a smartphone, you just put in the answer key, you scan the test, and it'll give you instant feedback. So it saves you a bunch of time when you are trying to grade papers. So once again, apologies for the horrible internet connection. Thank you to our panelists. It was great hearing your apps, and we will touch base again in the future. So thank you, GEG DMV, DC Metro Area Google Educators Group, and everybody have a fantastic week. Bye.